everyone, it's Laura from Garland Nursery, and this month we're going to be doing a wreath making kit for little sprouts. So in the kit you're going to receive a red bow, and then you're going to receive some greens. You'll receive 4 little sprays with pine cones on them that look like these ones, and then you'll receive 3 sprays with out pine cones that look like this one. And then you will also get some little balls for little ornaments that you can put on your wreath, and you will also get a little wreath wire. So to get started, all you will need to do is to grab your first little spray of greens, and each green spray will have a wire attached just like this. So you will just place it on the wreath wire. Just kind of like this. You don't want to align it exactly with the wire. You kind of want to push it out a little bit, just like this, so we can fit all of the greens around the wire. And then all you do to attach it is just do a couple twists, just like this. And you want to make sure to get it pretty tight so that the greens stay on here. But then you'll do that with each little green spray that you receive. And so I'm doing the pine cone ones all in a row to start out. So you'll just kind of go like this and just twist the wire around the wreath wire. And then once you have all of your green sprays onto the wreath wire, you can go ahead and add some hot glue with your parents' help if you wanted to, just like I did. I just added a little bit of hot glue at each point where I attach, just to help to secure the greens on the wreath a little bit better. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and add on the little ball ornaments in the bow. So the first thing that you can do is you can take one of the little ball ornaments and you can decide where you want to place it. I'm going to place it about right here. So you can just kind of stick it through your wreath, just like this. And then you can just pull it through, and then it should stay pretty secure. You can wrap it around a branch or the wreath wire a couple times, and then you can just cut the excess off when you're done. So you can just find a couple places to put your little ball picks. Alright, so then, once you have your little balls in, you can go ahead and attach your bow. So what you're going to do to attach the bow is you're going to flatten out the wire and make it straight, and then you're just going to stick it through the bottom of your wreath, wherever you'd like to put it. It's your choice. And so once you get it stuck through, just like this, you're just gonna wrap it around the wreath wire or some greens and just tuck it back up, and then your wreath will be all finished, and it should look like this when you're all done.